Major protests erupted in Haiti on Friday after the government announced an increase in gasoline prices from 38 to 51%. Demonstrators took to the streets, setting the city ablaze, targeting major businesses like Royal Oasis and the Best Western. Protesters used burning tires to block traffic on major streets, including the road to the airport. According to reports, at least 3 people have been killed. In response to the violent protest, U.S. airlines have canceled all flights to Haiti, while the U.S. Embassy in Port-au-Prince and the State Department have issued safety alerts. After 2 days of violence and vandalism, Prime Minister Jacques-Guy Lafontaine took to Twitter to announce the suspension of the fuel hike. Despite the move, however, the political damage may be too much to repair. Lafontaine has failed in his mission to govern efficiently, Petreville Mayor Jerry Taggio said in the Miami Herald. He has lost the trust of the population and no longer has the credibility to carry any of the reforms needed in Haiti.